What's up, everybody? How you feeling? I'm going to show you how I create content with Rytr AI. It's a powerful resource. It saves you a lot of time when writing content, email, social media posts. Let me just show you some of the features. You got the blog idea and outline, blog section writing, brand name, business pitch idea, business ideas, call to action. These are all the things that Rytr AI can write for you. Let me just go. This is a blog I just wrote right here, but I'm going to go ahead and get out of this blog, and I'm just going to go to the beginning of a page. So let's say I want to write blog idea outline. There's a ton of choices here. You could do video channel description, video idea. But let's just say we want to do a blog idea outline. And let's say our keyword is how to use AI to write content. Okay, so we're just going to type that in. And you could give it different variants. You could say I want 1 variant, 2, or 3. Let's go with 2. And I'm going to click Write for me. So what Rytr is going to do is going to create content for me with the primary keyword of how to use AI to write content. So here we go. How to use artificial intelligence to write content. Which platforms offer the best AI writers? Okay. AI Writing Assistant, a guide to writing AI, a guide to using AI for writing content. Introduction, what is an AI writing assistant and how does it actually work? I like that. So I could highlight both of these and it will add the keywords here where it says keywords. It will add AI writing assistant, content generation software, AI writing copywriting tool, AI writer, and content generator. So if I select both of these and I choose paragraph, it's going to add these keywords in what it writes. So let's go ahead and click paragraph and see how well Rytr comes up with some content. Now we are asking it to write about what is AI writing assistant and how does it actually work. Well, let's read it. An AI writing assistant is a software that generates content for the user. It uses machine learning techniques to generate content based on the user's input. The software can be used in different types of industries and scenarios, such as digital marketing and advertising. That's powerful. Let's read on. AI writing assistants are being used to create copy for digital marketing, sales copy, blog posts, email campaigns, and more. They can be used by companies that need to produce content at scale or agencies that need to provide their clients with high quality content on a regular basis. That just saved us a lot of time, and that's some really good content right there. Let's read on. The best thing about AI writing assistants is that they are available 24/7 and can work at any time of the day or night. This means that they can be used for tasks like generating content during off hours when there are not many people online generating fresh content. So what I could do is I write a period there, and that's the end of my sentence. I can even add to this. This means that they can be used for tasks like generating content during off hours when there are not many people online, or when it's hard to find someone live on the internet. Or you could just add whatever you want. So I could just say right here, when there are not a lot of people online, when you can't hire a content writer, or generating fresh content. So you could read the sentence. This means that they can be used for tasks like generating content during off hours when there are not many people online, when you can't hire a content writer, or generating fresh content. So this is a powerful tool. And if you can see, I just selected here and had it right. Let's do one more. How AI writing tools can help with 5 amazing use cases. So what I do, I'm just going to highlight this right here, choose paragraph, and it starts writing for me. So let's see what it comes up with. Of course, you might want to go in and edit or do what you got to do, but let's see how well it wrote. Okay, how AI writing tools can help with 5 amazing use cases. Generate content ideas at scale, writer's block, content for a specific topic or niche, all kinds of content for digital agency clients, build a brand voice. That right there is powerful. Now, what I could even do if I want to get more content, I could highlight what it wrote and say, okay, write a paragraph about generating content ideas at scale. So let's see what it comes up with. So here we go. Generate content ideas at scale. AI content generation can be done in 3 steps. First, we provide you with a topic of your choice, for example, business development. Next, we generate a list of ideas using natural language processing to interpret your search query. Finally, we pick the best content from the list and create it for you with our AI writing assistant tool. So here we see that AI or Rytr can generate content, and of course you might want to go in and edit it and do what you got to do, but Rytr is a powerful tool. I'm actually going to use this right here. I'm going to use this AI writing assistant, a guide to using AI for writing content. I'm going to use this and I'm going to put it into my blog. So what I'm going to do is just going to copy this. I'm going to go back to the blog that I'm writing, which is right here. And here's my blog that AI did a lot of writing of. So I can say here, what is Rytr AI and how does it actually work? So then I'm just going to go down here and I'm going to paste that. Okay? An AI writing assistant is a software, so that fits great right there with my blog. Let me read it to you real quick. Introduction. What is Rytr AI and how does it actually work? Rytr AI is a content writing and marketing tool that automates the process of content creation. Rytr AI has been developed by a team of writers, developers, and data scientists. It uses machine learning to generate high-quality, relevant content for your business. The platform is available in 3 different plans: Rytr Lite, Rytr Pro, Rytr Plus. Rytr is a powerful solution to solve the problem of creating original content at scale. It can be used by companies who are looking for an affordable way to generate high quality for their blogs or social media posts. Note, I actually used Rytr AI to write most of the content on this blog. Then it says an AI writing assistant is a software that generates content for the user. It uses machine learning techniques to generate content based on the user's input. The software can be used in different types of industries and scenarios, such as digital marketing and advertising. AI writing assistants are being used to create copy for digital marketing, sales copy, blog posts, email campaigns, and more. They can be used by companies that need to produce content at scale or agencies that need to provide their clients with high quality content on a regular basis. This is good stuff. The best thing about AI writing assistants is that they're available 24/7 and can work at any time of the day. This means that they can be used for tasks like generating content during off hours, when there are not many people online, when you can't hire a content writer, or generating fresh content. There you go. So, of course, you may have to go in and edit a few things here and there, but already at 1,246 words, now I just got to add them, paste them, fix them around, and you got yourself a nice blog. That's how I use Rytr to help me write content.